Hello everyone, it's Nova with Concept Surfaces, coming to you from my backyard. Many of you may be working from home like myself, but we are still open and operating, able to send samples to your home during this time. The two products featured in this video are Millenium and On and Off. They are part of our new 3.3 launch and available for you to spec on your next project. Let's get started. Millenium is the newest terrazzo look available in our current collection and offers a dynamic and colorful aggregate. Millenium also offers 11 coordinating 4x20 wall tiles showcased here by my dog Roux. On and Off is a dynamite new addition. Displayed here are the matte and mixed 5x5 floor or wall tiles. On and Off also offers 2x10 matte or gloss pickets. Thanks for watching our video. Our new lookbook or quick reference guide is available on our website along with the complete 3.3 launch. We look forward to hearing from you.